guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an OG but goodie, welcome back. So today I'm actually going to take you guys with me. I have some errands to run today. I'm actually going to go to it's like an influencer event, but not necessarily. I had this eyewear company called Krewe. It's a New Orleans based eyewear company. They actually reached out to me via email, wanted me to help promote their upcoming sale this month of April. They actually have a sale that they're going to be having eyewear up to 70% off. Some eyewear is going to be like under $100. So I'm actually going to go over there, check them out. They have optical wear. They also have sunglasses. So I am going to check those out, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. But first, I am gonna go to the post office just because I need to see if I do have any type of packages that drops in the mailbox. I need to figure out a way how to get notifications if I do have a package in my mailbox. If y'all know how to figure that out, please let me know. Drop it down in the comments. But yeah, so let's go. So I just got my packages. So I got two packages. I got one from Clean Skin Club. Yeah, I don't mind showing y'all my P.O. Box shop because it's online anyways. But yeah, one from Clean Skin Club, and then another one from Osea, which is Bay. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with both of these boxes probably later on in this video when I get home with all my errands. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Krewe to go check them out and see, like, you know, all the glasses, all the designs. I've never really gotten like name brand sunglasses before, so this is gonna be a first for me. So I'm definitely excited just to, you know, check it out, see what they have new for the springtime, and yeah. So I'm here at Krewe, which is a local New Orleans-based eyewear brand that sits on Magazine Street. Like I said, they did invite me to come into the store to check out some of their most recent super duper cute eyewear for the spring and the summertime. They have sunglasses as well as optical wear. So if you do wear optical, you know, prescription lenses, they do have those options for you guys. But you guys, I am here for the sunglasses. When I tell you they have so many options to choose from, it was so hard to pick two to leave out the store with y'all. Now, this was my very first time ever like checking out and actually picking out some quality eyewear, because I always just get, like, you know, cheap stuff from Alpha Shein and stuff like that. I am going to show you guys the two pair of glasses that I left out with, y'all. Super duper cute. But they did have a spring sale going on. Unfortunately, the sale is currently over. But definitely still check out their website online. Y'all, glasses are bomb. So after leaving Krewe, child, I got a little hungry. So I actually went to go stop at this Mexican restaurant called Johnny's Sanchez that sits on Poydras. They actually had happy hour during this time, so I was like, you know what, this is a great time to actually check out the restaurant for itself and also get me, you know, the little happy hour special. Okay. So of course, with any Mexican spot, you have to start off with a good old margarita. Now, I did have a margarita. It was a little bit on the bitter side. I didn't really like it too much. The happy hour menu is a little bit limited, so I didn't really get too many things off of this menu. So I did just more so get some food off of the main menu, which I did order 3 tacos. I did order a carnita taco. Is it carnita? Yeah, a carnita taco, a carne asada, the beef one, as well as a shrimp taco, along with some Mexican rice. Y'all, all of these tacos was so freaking good, so flavorful. Oh my gosh. The shrimp one was freaking bae, okay? The rice was good as well. It was just a little bit hard, but it was so good. Y'all, plate is clean, honey. This place was actually really good. I'm gonna try it out again. I just left from Johnny Sanchez and got some food. That's actually like a new place that I actually just found when me and my sister was walking around here one day trying to get some food. So yeah, they had happy hour. The tacos were really good. The drink was a little like bitter. I don't know if it was like too much sour mix or whatever, but it was decent. But the tacos was really good, y'all. The city is like so freaking packed right now because it had the Final Four going on in New Orleans, and today is the last day, which is Monday. So y'all, I can't wait for this to be done because I'm just ready to be able to park normally without all the traffic. But I think I'm just gonna hit up one more drink spot just to get, you know, like a little sip, just because today was so nice. Y'all, this, oh my gosh, like I am not ready for summer. Like my face gets so oily. Woo, child, girl. Like today was hot. Today was hot. Well, let me just give y'all a quick little synopsis of my day today. So today I did go to Krewe, which is eyewear brand that's based in New Orleans. They actually invited me to come in just to go, you know, check out their glasses, check out some new items that they have for the springtime, summertime coming up. They have some like really nice glasses. I did pick up two kind of glasses which were super duper cute. I just want to show you guys. So it came in this cute little case, super duper cute. It's a Krewe New Orleans. But y'all, the detailing of like the box and the packaging is like so cute. Like this is literally like, you know, New Orleans, like New Orleans balcony. Like it is cute. Focus camera. It is super duper cute, y'all. If you're from New Orleans, you already know Krewe is like, you know, like the Mardi Gras crew type of thing. So I think that's really cute for the name. So this is the eyeglasses case. So I picked out this one. I can't remember what this one was called, but let me show you guys how it looks on sis. So it's very cute. It's definitely given summer, spring. Like I feel like this is some really nice glasses, you know. Like I've never truly owned a pair of quality sunglasses, so it was nice the fact that they did reach out to me to actually come in to check out some glasses and also get two pairs of glasses of my own. So the second pair, I remember the name of this one is called Dolly. Super cute. I do love the fact that it do have like the gold hardware there. It has like the little black frame there, and then on the back side it's kind of like a black and white type of detailing. It's super cute. But this is what it looks on me. It's cute. So they have some other glasses. Like these are the glasses that I initially wore into the store, and these glasses are from Shein. So these glasses, y'all, and it had some glasses that I really want to get from there that literally look like these glasses, but I was like, you know what, this is like my comfort lane. Like I'd rather go get something that's out of my comfort, you know what I'm saying? Like these are some quality glasses, you know. I don't want to just keep getting these, you know. These $5, like I could just go get another pair of $5 glasses, you know what I'm saying? But these are so cute. So they do have an upcoming spring sale this month in April where they're gonna have up to 70% off of their shades and optical lenses. Some of the glasses and shades will be less than $100, so it's really, really nice. I will put down the link down below in the description box for you guys to check it out. You know, it doesn't matter if you're not from here, you can actually still purchase online if you want to. But yeah, so afterwards I did go to Johnny Sanchez. First of all, y'all, trying to find parking out here right now is just insane because like they have the Final Four going on from what it was Friday to today Monday, and I'm like, oh my gosh, y'all, like I just want my city to be empty because I like to do stuff. If I'm off on a weekday, I love to go out into the city because I know I'm going to find parking and it's not going to be that many people. But child, it is crowded here and it's Monday, so I'm just like, come on now, this is supposed to be my day, but it's okay. I was able to find parking for Johnny Sanchez after rolling around the block maybe 50 times. But I found parking and the food was really good. So it was super duper crowded in there for sure. They didn't have no bar seats, which I love to do. Bar seating is specifically when I'm by myself and with people. But specifically by myself, I like to do bar seating. But it didn't have none, so I just grabbed the drink at the bar. And then I got a table by myself. So it was still nice. It was still a vibe. I do want to go back there on another weekday when it's not as busy. But yeah, today is not it. But I am thinking about going to the Virgin Mobile Hotel because I have not been there in like a hot little minute. But I love going there. I actually showed y'all a couple times on Instagram. If you do not already follow me, in my Nigel High. But it's like, it's a cute hotel. It has a restaurant called the Common Club, and it also has a rooftop bar, which is really nice. So I think I might just go to the Common Club, just go grab a drink, and then I'm gonna just end my day and go finish editing all my videos for the rest of the week. So y'all, so I finally made it inside, y'all, back from all my little errands. So I'm actually going to do my little unboxing. I want to tell you guys, you know, from my items that I actually picked up from the post office today. Also, a pair of shoes that I actually just recently purchased that actually arrived in the mail recently. So I'm going to start off with these shoes that actually arrived in the mail. So these shoes are a pair of New Balances. So I actually just bought a pair of New Balances because I bought these specific pair of New Balances. They are not any type of fancy type of shoe or anything like that. But I got these New Balances in the color gray because lately, like, I kind of just wanted to add it to like my summer / spring attire, just because lately I have been wearing my Nike Sakai waffles way too much, to the point that I'm like, Tams, you need to slow down. Because first of all, these shoes, like, I got them for retail on the sneakers app, thank the Lord, but for resale price, it's expensive. It's hitting like maybe like $300-400. And sis, I am not trying to ruin those shoes and buying another one. So I was like, you know what, let me just buy something a little bit similar, less, you know, without the same cost. So I actually got these. These are just some gray on gray New Balances, the newer version. I like the front really more so. But yeah, so I got these. And it's going to substitute for the Nike Sakai waffles that I actually have. Yeah, these shoes was only $99, so only $100, which is not nowhere near the same price as the Nike ones, because the Nike ones I want to say like was maybe like $140 to $160 for like regular price, and these were just $99. So yeah, so I'm definitely going to, you know, obviously wear these more because they don't cost as much, and if I do need another pair, I'm just going to pay $100 and not $300-400 for resale. Okay, so I got a size 7 in men because that's the size that I wear in men, which is like a 8.5 in women. So next I have my items that I actually got in the PO box. So I'm first going to open up my Osea Malibu package here. Now I know they recently came out with a new product. I can't think about it offhand, but believe this might be it. So this is one of their new products that they actually recently came out with, and this is the Sea Glow Overnight Serum. This is a AHA treatment. So this serum, their high performance treatment, resurface and reinforces your skin moisture barriers in one easy step to reveal smooth, radiant skin. A potent blend of AHAs, acid and fruit enzymes, exfoliates to promote skin renewal, which evens the tone and texture overnight. So I'm definitely gonna try out these products, y'all. I have so many PR products, y'all. It is like, and oh, this is noise. If you follow me on Instagram, most likely I will do a review and talk more about this product. Definitely also follow me on TikTok as well, because I do post a lot of content related to skincare, beauty, and all of that on TikTok as well. So the last package I have, this is a huge box from Clean Skin Club. Now, y'all already know. First of all, if you don't know, you need to know her name. I have been rocking with Clean Skin Club for over a year now. The first time that I ever tried tried Clean Skin Club was in my femailer, but it had the Clean Skin Club face towels, y'all, and ever since then I have been so obsessed to the point that where I was like, you know what, how about I just become like a brand ambassador and have my own little affiliate code and everything else. I do always use their face towels, which you probably always see on my Instagram, and I always talk about it whenever I do a skincare routine on here on YouTube. But yeah, so if y'all are interested in trying out Clean Skin Club, definitely try them out. The face towels are a 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, and my code is, I believe it is Tamsy, so Tamsy. It will be in the description box below for you guys to check out if I am wrong. This is a big box and this is the first thing I see. So this is the Sweet Dream Mango Cream. This is the Nourishing Moisturizer. Now they had recently came out with this, I want to say like a month plus ago. I've been wanting to try this, but I heard that it's really good. So I'm gonna try it for like, you know, maybe a week or two just to see how it really adjusts to my skin and how I like it. Just in time, honey. Just in time. God is good. They sent me 4 total boxes of their Clean Skin Club towels. They sent me 2 of the bamboo one, 2 of the original one. And I already did a video about both of these, comparing the 2, talking about the 2 and all of that, test trying the 2. Like, I love both of them, but just something with me, like, I just always like the original everything, you know? It's like a movie, you know? You just like the original. So, but yeah, so I got both of these and I got 2 and 2. So I'm so happy about that, because the one that I currently have right now in this size, I'm currently on the low side, but I do have another box already that's unopened. So this just helps me, you know, to keep my supply up. I love to keep the supply up of my products that I love and adore, like Osea Malibu's body oil. Yeah, I just finished one of my bottles, which is like probably the 3rd bottle that I finished, and I have like 2 or 3 more unopened ones. You know what I'm saying? I like to keep stock of the good stuff. Just saying. And I got a code for that one too if you want to try that. But yes, y'all, so that completes my entire day, y'all. I'm done with the unbox. I'm done with everything, y'all. I'm actually about to just go finish up, wash my face, get into editing all my content for the day and for my video that I'm gonna try to upload tomorrow. So if y'all did enjoy this good old vlog video, follow me throughout the day and everything, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you want me to do more vlogs, let me know down below. Y'all, I'm still trying to get comfortable in doing vlogs. You know, I already talked to you guys about this before, but I'm trying, girl. I'm trying. So if you did enjoy this good old video, give this video a nice thumbs up. If you have not already, click the red button down below. Join the Tam Kam fam, and I hope to see you guys in the next upload. Bye, guys.